Another part of the Raleigh Police Department is shifting its focus away from handcuffs, tasers, and arrests. The ACORNS unit combines officers with social workers to handle many calls with underlying issues like homelessness and mental illness. WR's Cullen Browder joins us live with an update on how the program is working today. Cullen?
Well, Gerald, this type of community policing actually grew out of the calls years ago to defund police. Instead, cities like Raleigh have shifted some of that funding for a kinder, gentler strategy. Today, Raleigh Police updated City Council on their efforts to put a more human face on some crisis interactions.
ACORNS actually sees people, okay? We are all passionate about what we do, and we're making sure that we are seeing the people behind the homelessness, behind the mental health concerns, and the substance use issues.
ACORNS, which stands for Addressing Crises Through Outreach, Referrals, Networking, and Service, combines 5 police officers with 3 social workers to deal with calls that deserve intervention over enforcement. Lieutenant Renee Lockhart updated council on the unit's 1,035 calls handled since August of 2021, and 546 people in crisis they helped to link with needed resources like mental health services, food, family connections, and housing. All easier said than done.
There is almost no affordable housing in the city of Raleigh. And so those vouchers are actually being recycled back to Raleigh Housing Authority, and those people are finding themselves still experiencing homelessness.
The unit needs more help, so this year's budget includes $800,000 in additional funding for more social workers and officers. A work in progress, replacing punishment where appropriate with a helping hand.
The rapport, the respect, and what you've built in the community, and I've since seen your interaction with others. It's amazing.
So instead of making arrests, officers also talked about some examples of just helping a person track down a birth certificate in Europe so he can get an ID, so he can get benefits. Another example, just simply transporting a person to get his medication. Counselors absolutely praise this program. They want it to grow, Gerald, and they want it to do even more.
So many aspects of law enforcement unknown to the general public. Cullen Browder live in Raleigh. Thank you, Cullen.